Okay, today we're looking at a 2017 BMW XDrive 28i. It's all-wheel drive. It's got 28,000 miles on it. It's mineral gray metallic in color. It's a local trade, clean CARFAX One-Owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. It does have a nice chrome trim around the windows, turn signals in the side mirrors. It is equipped with a dual panel sunroof. Driver's side of the BMW is in great shape. It does have rear park assist, rear backup camera, dual exhaust. All right, make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good here. Exterior of this Beamer is in great shape. It also has the front park assist as well. Once again, it's a 17, 28,000 miles, clean CARFAX One-Owner, local trade. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, let's go ahead and give you a shot. Let's see. Let's go ahead and do the door panels first. All right, we've got brown and black door panels, nice wood grain trim here, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All right, it does have the power rear hatch. It's got memory seat, okay. It's got that nice brown saddle leather, okay. Driver's seat's in great shape. The center console here, some storage there. You can lift it up. You got auxiliary and USB right in here. Passenger seat leather looks good. No problems at all there. All right, it is an automatic. Okay, got two keyless entry key fobs. I'll give you a shot of those. Okay. Does have dual climate controls, heated seats, AM/FM CD player. It's going to have your radio display right there, navigation, backup camera, and all that. We'll show you that in just a second. Push button start. All right. Leather wheel. Steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth. Then over here you got your cruise control. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 28,113 miles. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and see the radio display here. All right, this is your home screen. Got all your apps here. You can scroll through those. Okay, let's go ahead and click on navigation. Go ahead and click on map. All right, there's your navigation. Backup camera. And then you control the screen up here and get it back to the home screen. And you control all this right here by this dial. Okay, this is what controls all the apps, selections, and whatnot. All right, let me go ahead and roll back the sunroof here. Let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look at the sunroof and then the back seat. All right, got the nice big dual panel sunroof. Backseat door panels are in great shape. Same thing, got the black with the saddle brown, nice wood grain trim. Backseat carpet's in good shape, no staining. Okay. Backseat leather looks fantastic. Not a wrinkle in the leather. Everything's well taken care of. Center armrest comes down, got some storage there. Got your cup holders there. Okay. Got another power outlet here. Go ahead and give you a shot of the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. The power lift gate, nice and smooth coming up. Carpet back here is in great condition. Lift that up, got some storage there, and simply press this button here. Nice and smooth coming down. All right, let's go and take a look at the wheels and tires. Got, let's see, 18-inch alloys. Okay, got the nice gray trim there. Tires are in great shape. Okay, plenty of tread left on them. Once again, it's a 2017. All right, it's got 28,000 miles on it, all-wheel drive. It's a local trade, clean CARFAX One-Owner. This thing is in fantastic condition. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.